hopefully I'm not shocking anyone on this call if I describe process discovery or task mining as having an application sitting on a user's machine and in one way or another recording their actions, and process mining as taking event logs from enterprise systems. All of those get fed into process understanding platforms, and through analytics, they amalgamate the data to let an organization have a greater understanding of their processes. You can use one or the other, but generally you get a better result if you use both process discovery and process mining together. But there are only about 5 or 6 platforms that do both of them. So if we move on, the current state of process understanding I've got here, with the information from both of the process understanding platform types, what are the main insights users are getting and how are they applying those insights? It's no surprise I've got it here on the left that the main thing organizations are looking for as part of using a process understanding platform is to gain a better insight on their processes. You first need to know what's going wrong to know how to improve it, right? And that can take a number of forms that I've got listed here. There's creating process documentation, there's analyzing variations in the process, there's tracking current process KPIs and reporting them through a dashboard or having the numbers exportable. And there's some light root cause analysis. Likewise, there's improving the existing process. So that's when organizations use the data that they've gathered on a said process and try and improve it somewhat. So for process optimization, that's looking where the bottlenecks are or the flow of data or the general process itself and trying to reduce inefficiencies or maximize customer satisfaction in some cases. And then conformance checking. So if you've got data on the process and what the process should be, and you've got task mining working, so you've got a look at what each user is doing, you can check if they're varying from the process when they shouldn't. And a bit more recently, there's as a major accelerator of the whole process understanding market, there's automation. The majority of the automation enablement that we see at the moment is identifying processes that have a high potential for automation. But there's been some work in sending through a process or the skeleton of a process through to an automation platform to be automated. It's vitally important to the automation space because at the moment, there's always going to be a shortage of automation professionals and a backlog of processes to be automated. And if we can focus down onto the best processes to be automated, that certainly gets us a long way there.